Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out 8 stylish pixie haircut ideas. First up we have more of that choppy style pixie. This one features a beautiful hair coloring of silver. And then we see this gorgeous pixie undercut style. Beautiful color work with that one. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these pixie haircut ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So moving on to pixie number 3, this one actually features a very hot pixie hair trend at the moment, and that is finger waves. So if you guys want, please be sure to like this video. I am going to be doing a full finger wave featured pixie cut video. So be on the lookout for that if you haven't already hit that subscribe button. This is a very glamorous way to rock the pixie style. And then we see more of a pixie mohawk variation for the next one. And then if you're curious, if you don't have a pixie yourself, this is how you would style it. So she is using one of those blow dryers that rounds your hair out. You can also use a round bristle brush with this as well, but it's nice to have a 2-in-1 action. And with her particular pixie cut, she can wear the hair downward for more of that mushroom shape, or she can spike it up for more of an edgier look as well. So then we have a pixie haircut transformation. So the stylist actually did more of a mixy hair shape with that. That is a pixie mullet style. Very chic, beautiful bangs in the front. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have another beautiful pixie here. This one is more of a classic pixie shape. And then for our last pixie of today, we're going to check out someone who has a beautiful spiky textured pixie cut. So she is blow drying her hair upward and really creating a lot of texture and volume within her pixie cut. So once again, she is using a round brush in order to achieve this particular blowout. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.